Namaste and good morning to all in geography class. I am Sapna Jha, your SST teacher, going to explain chapter 6, Life on the Earth. For millions of years, our Earth was a barren planet without any life. The first form of life appeared in the water bodies belonging to the flora world. Flora means plant kingdom. Gradually, the plant life gave way to another form of life, which is known as fauna. Fauna is related to animal kingdom. The relationship between plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and human beings with their environment is known as ecosystem. Next, I am going to explain the plant kingdom. You know that the vegetation belt of the world can broadly be divided into various groups on the basis of their location and climate condition. These are tropical hardwood forest, grassland, and the desert. Okay, now we are discussing about tropical hardwood forest. Tropical hardwood forests are found in tropical region between 23½ north to 23½ south. On the basis of difference in the climate condition and vegetation, these forests can be divided into two groups. Equatorial या tropical evergreen forest. Equatorial या tropical evergreen forest. Tropical evergreen forests are found on both sides of the equator between 10° north and 10° south. The main areas are Jira Basin in Africa, Amazon Basin in Amazon Basin in South America, and few islands in the Southeast Asia. Okay, these forests strictly to heavy rainfall around 200 centimeter or more with short but dry season. Height of trees in 60 meters or sometimes even more. Region remains warm and wet throughout the year. It has vegetation of all kind. Tropical evergreen forest found in region near equator or close to tropics. This region receives heavy rainfall throughout the year. Okay, there are some features of tropical evergreen forest. These evergreen forests are found in warm and wet region always. These are found where the rainfall is more than 200 centimeter with a short dry season. These are found in the rainy slopes of Western Ghat, plains of Western Bengal or the Odisha and the northeastern in India beta. Okay, these are the location. These are the location of the evergreen forest in India. Okay, now we are discussing about the tropical deciduous forest. Generally, tropical deciduous forest thrives between 10° north to 23 north and 10° south to 23½ south latitudes. This forest belt receives moderate rainfall. Moderate means mix 50-50. Okay, moderate rainfall, and these trees, their shade, their leaves in dry season. The trees are of medium height. The main areas where these forests are found in India, China, eastern Brazil. Common trees in these areas are shal, teak, bamboo, etc. Okay, these are the location of tropical deciduous forest. Thank you. Have a nice day. Keep smiling, keep healthy, and keep watching. Thank you.